Morgan breakfast again. Di.
Good morning. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and yung ibang gamit namin is na dala na namin sa sasakyan and we're going to check out today and we're going to the other hotel that we're going to and yes. So let's go.
So, this is the view. Ito yung pinakamaliit na lake kasi merong Tigran Sea, Schiller Sea yung kahapon na pinuntahan namin. Tapos dito kami nagstay sa Spitzing Sea. Ito yung maliit na lake. But I think it's much better than the big one. More peaceful. Here are the walks. So what do you want? I will go. So yun yung aming sinakyan ng nakaraang araw. So, andito kami sa room. 1 hour before our checkout is 12 a.m. p.m. 12 p.m. ang checkout. So, before checkout, naglakad muna kami sa buong lake for like an hour. And then, yes, so now it's like 11:30 na. So, we're going to check out na for real. And we're going to the next one. And let's go. Everything is packed now. Lahat na nasa car na. Kami na lang kulang. Backpack. Going home. Babaryo. So, nakaalis na kami and we're going to our next sa Austria na. So, nakapasok na kami ng border sa Austria. So, we're driving through Austria already.
It's nice, yeah? That's our house.
This is Holz.
Yeah, I think after the left here. Or was it more like
andito na kami. Ito yung view ng room namin. So, ikot ko ulit kayo. Ito yung aming maliit na terase. Siya, tapos yung view. So, ito yung liguan. Yung simple lang siya. May salamin, hair dryer, sink, may salamin, bathtub. Tapos paglabas mo, yung mga drawer, lagyan na ng mga gamit mo. May ano din, yan, password, mga importanteng gamit. Ito, mga dalawa. Tapos may mirror. And then, dito yung isang toilet. So, I think that's all. Not much, but can you see that one? Yan. Actually, masakit yung mga muscles ko. Ito, ganito. Yan, yan. Sakit siya, lalo na pag bumababa ng hagdan. Pero, hindi naman super, mga medium lang. So, bawal tayong magreklamo kasi pinlano natin to, no? Baka mabura at yung kasama natin. Baka hindi matuloy. Baka sabihin nyo, wag na tayong tutuloy kasi malaki ang mga binto. Scary naman. Hilutin lang natin ng very light para bukas is ready tayo. Nakarating na tayo. So, hintayin natin matapos yung ating kasama. And then, baka maghanap tayo ng makakainan kasi dinner time. Tomorrow, gigising tayo ng early para maaga rin tayong matapos. So, going dinner time. If you can see, nasa labas na kami, umaambon. Ito yung hotel namin. So, yes, we're looking for food. Pero wala naman ata makakainan dito. Agay. Kaling kami sa baba. Uminom ako dyan. Pwede siyang inuman. Our dinner time. Hi guys, so alas 10 na ng gabi, no? So, yeah, after dinner namin, I mean, by car, pwede ka naman by car din maghanap ng restaurant, pero pinili na namin maglakad. So, yung pinunta namin restaurant is about 22 minutes from this hotel. And yes, nilakad namin siya. Pataas siya kasi bundok kami. So, pataas. So, struggle ang bente natin dahil. Pero, kailangan natin i-push kasi para tomorrow. Pero, nakaya ko naman. I mean, yung pagbaba lang. Kasi, nasa bundok kami. Tapos, yung daanan. Pag ganyan. Sila lakadin mo yan. So, hirap na hirap tayo dahil. So, pero, na-carry ko naman. Tapos, kanina ngayon, nagbabad ng hot water dun sa ano ba yun, bathtub para ma-relax ba yung muscle natin. Kasi dahil, sabi ko sa inyo, masakit siya pag nilalakad. I mean, nung kahapon masakit siya, pero ngayon, nilalakad ko naman siya packet. Pero, research ba ko ng yung height namin tomorrow. So, medyo steep siya ng very light lang naman. Pero, syempre, it's much struggle siya kasi masakit ang ating mga kasuan. And then, yes, what? So, yes, tomorrow kasi kami na maaga. So, magbe-breakfast kami. 7:30 yung start ng breakfast. And then, dadaan muna kami sa groceryhan para bumili ng water namin. Mga kakain doon sa madadala. Kasi yung restaurant doon sa hahaykan namin is closed. So, bukas pa siya mag-start, mag-open. So, but yeah, still we have luck because the weather is nice. I mean, it's not really sunny. Medyo cloudy din, pero at least hindi siya mag-rain. Pero hindi ko rin sure kasi pabago-bago naman ang weather. But yeah. So, mag-ready lang kami ng mag-sleep na and yes. So, ayan. So, yung, alam nyo ba, yung ano namin dito, hotel dito, walang receptionist, self-check-in. So, iiwan lang nila yung mga susi doon sa parang locker and then kukunin mo
kasi send naman nila sa'yo sa email or what, kung ano yung password, and then you do it your own, do it check-in. Yes, pero dito kami sa bagong building kasi dalawang building to, which is yung luma at bagong building, nasa new building kami. So dun sa entrance is maano ba, old building siya, tapos parang may mga feeling mo may ghost kasi walang kataw-taw as in. I mean, yes. And then tapos pahirapan din mong park kasi direct ang ito sa harapan is already highway, so direct kami. So alam naman yung ating driver, hindi man siya masyadong kailangan mo na siya very na push ng very light, so para magkaroon siya ng power, just but yeah, so yeah, that's all for today, and I think we're gonna close this video and see you tomorrow for our hiking, and we're gonna bring you, so see you and good night.